This short video will explore how teachers can use Adobe Spark Video to create meaningful and engaging presentations that can be shared with the learners in their classes. You simply navigate to spark.adobe.com, sign up for your free account. I have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Google. Once logged in, you will be brought to the home page. On the home page, simply navigate over to the left-hand side of the screen, and at the top you'll see a blue addition symbol. Tap on this and navigate down to Video. You'll be prompted to include a title for your presentation, or you can just skip this step for now. You'll also be asked if you would like to select one of the story templates, or you can start from scratch. I'm going to start from scratch. We're now brought into the Adobe Spark Video home screen. And as you can see, you're presented with a number of media that you can add to your presentation. You can add video, text, imagery, icons, and narration. So let's get started. I'm going to add text. In this case, I'm going to create an instructional video for the learners in my class on volcanoes. I can choose to make the text a little larger if I wish, and I can simply tap on a plus, and that will offer me a choice regarding media that I can input. I'm going to input an image of a volcano in the background. When I tap on photo, you'll notice the pane on the right-hand side changes. I can upload a photo from my desktop, and it links with my desktop for me. I can select a free photo. I can connect with my Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to find a copyright-free photo. I simply search for a keyword, press return, and I'll be presented with a number of options which are linked to the online copyright-free repository of images on unsplash.com. I simply choose the image which I wish to use, tap on it, and it inserts that image in the background for me. Importantly, here at the bottom of our slide, we can see that we can view how long this slide will appear within our overall video presentation. At the moment, it's at 4 seconds, which is a little long, so I'm going to bring that down to maybe 3 seconds. To add a new slide, I simply come down to the bottom of my screen, over to the left, and tap on the plus. This brings up a new slide for me. Before I add content to this slide, I may like to change the slide design. And the layouts are over here at the right-hand side for us. I'm going to choose split screen. It's a good idea to use a number of layouts so that your presentation is more engaging. This time, I'm going to include an icon on the left. As I've already searched for volcano, it's there in my search field. I can see that a number of icons relating to volcanoes are available for me to use. I simply select the one which I wish to input into my presentation, tap on the other page on the right-hand side, and include some text. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, ash, and gases escape. I can choose to make my text a little larger if I wish. And I can also come down here to the bottom of my slide where I see the red icon of the microphone and choose to add some narration. Here, I simply tap on and hold down the microphone symbol, say what I would like to say, and then simply release, like so. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. You can see here the slide duration has changed to suit how long I have been talking for, and in that way, it's very user-friendly in that you don't need to manually change the time to suit your narration. It will do that automatically for you. If I come over and tap on New Slide again, this time I might decide to input some video. I simply tap on video. This will link me to my desktop on which I have downloaded a copyright-free video file from pixabay.com in this case. I simply select the video file that I wish to input and click Open. I can select a certain aspect of the video file which I wish to input into my presentation also. In this case, I'm going to choose this particular 4 seconds and click Save. It will now upload my video file to my presentation for me. Okay, so once our video file is uploaded, I could maybe choose to add some text in front of it if I wish, or some additional narration or indeed an icon. In this case, I'm going to just put in some very simple narration. Again, I'm going to tap and hold on the microphone, say what I wish to say, and then release. 3/4 of the world's active volcanoes are found underwater. That narration has now been added. I keep adding slides and media in the way that we have viewed until I'm happy with the content of my overall presentation. I can then come up to the very top here, and beside layout, you can see that we can change the theme of our presentation. I'm going to tap on a slide which has text on it so that I can see what this theme will look like. And you can see here, you can scroll down through the various themes that are available to us. I'm going to select Sage. And within each theme, you can select a color palette. I'm going to go with the red color palette. I can also come over to music at the top of the screen. I can choose to turn off music on the background if there's a lot of narration perhaps in my presentation, or I may wish to add some music to the background to make the presentation more engaging. To preview any of the tracks, you simply tap on the little play button. Once I'm happy with this, I tap on the track title, and that will input that track as a backing track throughout my presentation. Now I want to preview what my presentation is going to look like. I can do that in one of two ways. I can simply tap on the little play button here at the bottom of my screen on the left-hand corner, or I can come up to preview. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. 3/4 of the world's active volcanoes are found underwater. You'll see some of the copyrighted works which we've sourced within the Adobe Spark app or website will be added to one of the finishing slides along with the Adobe Spark symbol itself. To share or download our video file, it's very simple. We simply navigate to the top of the screen. If I want to share a link from my Adobe Spark account, which my students or pupils at home can access, I simply select Share and Publish. Here I can give my video a title, pick a category. I can choose whether to have my name associated with the video or not, and I can choose whether I want my video to be noticed on the Adobe Spark platform or not. And then simply tap on Create Link, and this is a link that I can share with my learners at home so that they can access this video file at home. Or I can simply tap on Download. If I tap on Download, it's going to link again with my desktop and will download the file in MP4 format for me so that I can share this file on my school's VLE and connect with my learners in that regard, or share it on another appropriate platform.